How to fix login failed error in Roblox Studio on Windows PC. Hey everyone, if you are getting a login failed error when trying to open Roblox Studio on Windows PC, don't worry. This guide will walk you through multiple proven fixes step by step. Sometimes the login error happens due to network or DNS issue. Click the search icon and type CMD. Right click on command prompt and run as an administrator. Click Yes to allow permission. Type NETSH space WINSOCK space RESET and tap enter. After that, type IPCONFIG slash FLUSHDNS and then press enter. After that, type NETSH space INT space IP space RESET reset and then tap enter. These commands reset the Windows network catalog, clear DNS cache, and reset the IP protocol stack. After running all commands, restart your computer. Then try opening Roblox Studio again. If the error still appears, find Roblox Studio, right-click on it, and tap Run as Administrator. Grant administrative permission and then check if the login error is fixed. If none of the solution worked, reinstalling Roblox Studio usually fixes corrupted files. Uninstall the Roblox Studio. After uninstalling Roblox Studio, open your web browser, search for Roblox Studio download. Open the official Roblox website and click Start Creating. Roblox Studio will download and install automatically. Once installed, launch Roblox Studio and sign in. Make sure your Windows system is up to date. Temporarily disable VPNs or proxies if you are using any. Ensure Roblox services are not down. If this video helped you, like the video, comment if the fix worked for you. Share with others who might need it. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.